of all, allow me to extend my warmest congratulations to all of you. This day belongs to you. It is the fruit of your perseverance, long nights of study, and the countless sacrifices made by you and your families. Today is not just about the diploma. It's about hope, commitment, and purpose. To the proud class of 2025, again, congratulations. Para pakita na hawak ito natin mga kaibigan. As your newly elected congressman of the Lord District of Eastern South, it is both an honor and homecoming to be with you today. I will speak before you as someone removed from your strongest groups. I speak as someone born and raised in G1, right here where this university is at. Usa ako ninyo mabugto, anak, and G1. This year's theme, shaping purposeful graduate for meaningful change and leadership toward inclusive, innovative, and transformative nation building, is more than a string of powerful words. It is a mission. It is a compass pointing to the kind of graduate this world desperately needs. One with vision, courage, compassion, and commitment. We all know today marks one of the most important milestones in your life. And I am truly honored to stand before you to witness you to step onto this stage and receive your hard-earned diploma. It is a privilege to celebrate this moment with you as you close one chapter and boldly begin the next. It is also a big day for me to be with you, the youth of Eastern South. Paborito ko pero nga na attender itong mga graduation ceremonies. Sugad niya na, kinikita ko itong kabubuwason ng Yusuf. Dito natin probinsya, itong sinara kasama ang mga kabataan, mga sugad rin. It is therefore a tremendous honor to deliver this message to the youth because it is people like you who inspire leaders like me to serve. Thank you. Damang salamat. Itong inyong permi pagtapon, itong liderato, itong G1, liderato, itong probinsya, and syempre, damang salamat na natagal natin siya sa pagkatubang kaibigan. I would also like to express my deep gratitude to the University President, Dr. Alice Poverpatan, for inviting me and to commend his leadership here at Eastern Samar State University G1 Campus, and to the faculty. Your dedication and commitment to education deserve our highest respect, and to the parents and families. Your sacrifices have given opportunities to our youth. And to the graduating class, again, you made it. I want to speak to you about two words we often place on opposite ends of life. It is a success and failure. We live in a world that celebrates success, especially in this digital age. We post it on social media. We share it. We chase it. And yes, success is beautiful. We all know that. It's the moment when all your efforts, sacrifices, and the sleepless nights finally make sense. It's the job offer after dozens of applications, is the business that finally takes off. It's the yes after 1,000 no's. But let me be honest with you. Success alone will not teach you everything you need to grow. Here's the truth. In kamaturan, failure is not the opposite of success. But for me, it is a part of it. Maarap ako ni, pwedeng agian ko ini, hindamog na ng pagkakataon. So I will tell you now, example, you will fail. Diba ko? Somewhere in your journey, you will stumble, you will lose. Simba ko, nakunul. You will be rejected. Simba ko, again, nakunul. Underestimated. Simba ko, nakunul. Even forgotten. Simba ko, nakunul. And yes, maulul. Hapo. Nagaya ka na kung inihiyo. Kaya ginagian ko yung isulit natin sila. Pero waray ako pang surrender na akong kinabuhi. Ilog daw ako, iginaman ko kung anong anatong career. Diri ako gibright na tao. Pero mayroon ako kasi ito na ako ni kasi tao. Diri ako yupay ni klase ng tao, pero na-insist ako. Ito na akong career. Basta maaram ako, tama, ako itong permi, tinutok daw, yung pinaglalang. But do not be discouraged for failure. Because failure has a purpose. It will shape you. You will learn humility. You will gain wisdom and perspective. And perhaps, most importantly, you will discover what you're truly made of and what really matters most in life. Some of the world's most admired people were built into rubble and failure. From Albert Einstein and Abraham Lincoln to Taylor Swift and Stephen Curry. Nangingilala pa mo akong gipin niya. These are the people who stood back up and grow taller and greater from the fertilizer that is failure. So graduates, I challenge you. Fail boldly. Fail forward. And when you do, rise is stronger. As I have said, para akong itong failure kapag kilay ko itong success. But ayaw naman itong natin pero pag pinananaon no, baling kita mag-fail kaya as ito nakaka-discourage siya rin. Kaya na maging yayakan ko yun. Because after this, iti ba, pwede mag-proceed itong pag-eskwela at ako kayo mga sigilay ang yun. Ito diba, pwede magpadayo, mag-proceed, law, or kung ano itong yung karir kahapon nilandas. Ayaw ka mo patatarantang. If iyo ginilot, go for it. Ayaw ko kahadlot. Think positive first. Ayaw itong negative. Yan ang hinayakan ko na hayo. Ginbabangin ko na ito yung mga utok. Ako na hayo yung susumat. Inuunahan ko na kamo para din na kamo pinanunaan na ito negative. Think positive always. Be willing to take risks and live a life of purpose. Bet on yourself. Kaya kamo itong iyo mga kalugarino. Believe in your abilities. Most importantly, find the courage to begin again. To start over. Success will always come to the most talented. It comes to those who refuse to give up. Today, you celebrate your success. You are here not only because of your brilliance, but because of your resilience, your hard work, your sacrifices, and yes, a few failures along the way. You are at the finish line of one journey and the starting line of another. So go out there, be serious in your purpose, work hard, never stop learning, and above all, serve your community. Believe in yourself, and believe me when I say that when you serve others, success will find you. And it becomes something bigger than yourself. To the graduates, to class 2025, good luck to all of you. Para hapon, ngayon kasi taga-sur, taga-Diwan, kung mga taga-Diwan man, go for your dreams. Believe in yourself. Dapat pa itong iyong mahilangat po. To the proud parents, lagi tayo na masigabo na parakpakan. Karuyan ko yung natin congratulate ka mo to the proud parents. Kay Pumaray, ang iyong paniguro, ang iyong pagtapod, ang iyong mga anak, diri ni hirayan ang nagpapagraduan. Kung diri ang iyong mga balon, ang hinahatag, kaya kung nagagi na maging estudyante, damay, anak ko na pagkatawag, anak kong nanay, kanati analis, yung mga ng tatay, kaya kung ang pulo, ang burog ko. Anak kong nanay mo nung duman at pagkatawag, ang estudyante ako, hinawawaray ko na allowance. Pero, hang nagmamature na ako, nakakaon ako na ako. Nakinahanglan, tumawagad man ako, bisan din at mag-aaroon allowance. Healing side, parang kita ito talagay, nag-agi kita, pero maaraw liwat yung mga kaganap. Ngayon, tiro mga anak, hindi ba kamo natanan. Again, congratulations! God bless us all, mabuhay. Ito ang graduate 2025 mabuhay. Eastern Summer State University, Yuan Campus.